Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, if you are not yet a subscriber, you can become one of our subscribers by clicking on the subscribe button. Like, share, make your comments. I definitely would love to watch out for it. Now, before we go ahead, to those of you that are interested in high probability trade, probably you're having trouble growing up your accounts, you can't really grow up your account, then you can subscribe to our Patreon channel. The link to our Patreon channel will be in the comment section. You can just give it a try for just a month. If after a month you are not comfortable with the service, then you can go ahead and cancel your subscription. Canceling of subscription is very, very much allowed. If after a month you are not okay, by the way, so we'll be putting out high probability trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning. By the way, these are a couple of those trade we took last week, so I'll be putting a link to this trade we took. You can see June 19 to 23. I'll put a link to it so you can go there and watch some of those trades we took. Now, with this movement on Swiss franc JPY, first we can start with the trend. Let me go to the forward time frame. We can see the trend, and basically this movement started right about last week when BOJ decided to leave interest rates at negative 0.10. This is one of the reasons why JPY actually fell. So if you take a look at every PS against JPY was actually on a bullish move. You can see it on GBP JPY, CAD JPY, AUD JPY, Euro JPY, even on this Swiss franc JPY, they've all been giving us a bullish move. Ever since then, we are still on that bullish move. Right now, if you take a look at this, you can see that this is an higher highs. Then a correction has been made here, right? There is saw price broke above it. Of course, a correction needs to be made again. You can see it level here, and now price is now giving us a new high. So basically, we would see this Swiss franc JPY push up a bit. Once it push up a bit, then we might now be seeing a correction to around this same level. And guess what? We will definitely continue that move. So basically, JPY is still falling and it will continue to fall. So any other PS, everything, any other PS against and JPY should be giving us a bullish move. So all you just have to do, look for an opportunity or look for a setup to go ahead and take your buy on Swiss franc JPY. So that is it for this week. Remember, if in case you're interested in high probability trade, you can sign up to our Patreon channel. The link will be in the comment section.